Hello guys, I'm Aloko Shayo Enoch. Welcome to my ICT tutorial on presentation. In today's session, I'll be working on the paper 2, May-June 2020, ICT 0417 IGCSE past papers, task 6 presentation. You are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Unless otherwise instructed, slide must be formatted to display a title and bulleted list. Question 32. Create a presentation of 6 slides using the file j2120guard.rtf. On slide 1, enter your name after the test guard presented by. Okay, so guys, the first thing I'm going to do now is to complete this task. We need to use PowerPoint. So go to my PowerPoint here. So double click to open, and then if I go back to the question now, to create a presentation using um guard. Okay, so this is a rich text format. Okay, so let me go ahead and locate that. Before now, I've created my work area, and this year 2020 IGCSE, so I have all the resource file there, okay, for the to complete the task accordingly. So now what I'm going to do now is to go back to my slide, and just click new here, new, then slide from outline, or better still, you can also open from here, but I would like to do it like this. Okay, so I want to import this rig test file, that is j2120 gout, into my slide presentation. Okay, so that's a cool one. And if you look at what we have in here, the first slide is empty, so I can go ahead and delete this. So how many presentations do I have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, and if you go back to the question, based on the examiner instruction, to create a presentation of 6 slides, so that is cool. Then on this slide 1, enter your name after the test guide presented by. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. I'm going to enter my name. So this is the first slide. So go to the first slide here, slide presented by. So I'm going to enter my name, Aloko Shayo Enoch. Okay, so you can click outside and go back to the question. So with this, I have my first mark. Then the next question. Okay, before I go to the next question, I think there is look at the instruction here. All slides must have consistent layout and formatting. So implication of this is to use a master slide. Okay, so for you to have consistent layout and formatting, then you have to use a master slide. Okay, so let's just go ahead. The slide must be formatted. Okay, so cool. Now question 33. Now format the first slide so that a title slide layout is applied with no bullets. The title and subtitle text are centered in the middle of the slide. Okay, so let me go back to my slide now. So the first slide, to format and such that I have a title slide, okay, and with no bullets. Okay, so this is the first slide here. Just you can go ahead and right click, and you see layout. So take this first one, title slide. So that's what we are asked to do, and automatically everything is centered, I think. So that's automation, I don't know. So that's cool, it's cool. Okay, so that's good. So I have the second mark there, so I can go ahead with the tax. So text 34 here. Here says that use a master slide to display the following features: the company logos are properly sized with aspect ratio maintained. So now I'm going to use my master slide now. So let me go back to my presentation. So if you come here to view, then you can see normal slide. That's where we are now, and I'm going to use master slide. Okay, so click on master slide. Then on the first one, everything you go to effect on this first slide will be reflected on the remaining slide. Okay, so any changes made here will be affected in the remaining slide. So, and that is the beauty of using master slide. So let me go back to the question and let me see what I'm to do. So the company logo, okay, I'm going to import the company logo now, and I'll make sure that I maintain the aspect ratio. That is J2120 logo. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so to do that, you can just insert, okay, picture. Then I'm going to navigate to my directory. My work area is on desktop. Um, yeah. Then this is the company logo, J2120 logo. So just take this now. Okay, so guys, I'm going to maintain the aspect ratio. Don't forget. So you can, when you see, you can maintain the aspect ratio with this horizontal or vertical stuff. So it should be diagonal, like a transversal. Then you reduce the size accordingly. Okay, I think this is cool. Then second, I think I should just click home, and you can make this one to be left aligned. Then I can break the company logo down here, so you can increase it. It's relative. I think it's cool for me. Yeah, just click outside. Okay, so let me go back to the question now. What else am I to do? Okay, your name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, so my that past second feature, you have my name, center number, and candidate number, and the last one is automatic slide number. So, and if you look at this, let me go back to my slide presentation. The beauty of a master slide is that automatically I have my number, slide number here, and this is the footer where I can insert my name. So I'm going to type aloco. um Okay, there are two ways in order to, let me just do this. Okay, click outside first. The best thing for me is to go ahead and insert. I can also type here, then I will still go back and insert so that it will reflect everything. So let me just go ahead and do that. So let's just do insert header footer. So then make sure you check this. So you check the slide number and check the footer. Then I can go ahead and type now. Aluko, Shayo, Enoch. Then my center number here is NG Nigeria, 1010. Then my candidate number is coding 101, just like as usual. Not coding 101, guys. 101. I love coding, guys. Okay, so just click apply to all. So you see apply to all, and if you go to the next slide, you see everything is there. And if you want to see the effect of this, just go back to view and go to normal and see the beauty of that. So you have the logo here, and my name, the center number, and candidate number, and everything is on all the slide all together, 1 to 6. This is page 6, and everything is okay. So I'll go back to my question to see the next information I'm giving. So make sure that master slide item appear in the same position on every slide. There is no overlap on any slide. So that's cool. So let's go to the next question. That is question 35. So this question 35, what do we have in here? Sorry about that. I just want to put this in yellow so that I know that question answered already. So change the layout of the slide with the title competition. Okay, so to change the layout of the slide with the title competition types to a title and table. Okay, let me just go ahead and locate that slide with the title competition type. So back to the my presentation. This is normal view, don't forget. So there's nothing like that here. Okay, so this is the slide now. That is slide um with number 3, competition type. Okay, so what am I to do with that? So to change the layout of the, okay, to title and table. Okay, to change that to title and table, so we want to change this layout to title and table. So as usual, just go back to okay, this one here, you can right click there, right click the slide and see your layout. Okay, now if you observe, and there's nothing like title and table here, but under content you have a lot of because table is a content, text, different stuff, so they are all content. So just take this second one, so title and content. And if you look at it, you see table here, and you can insert charts, smart art, video, media, etc. So that's a cool one. So I have what is required now. So then what's next? So I'm to create a table that contains 5 columns and 9 rows. So just click here, insert table, 5 column, and change this one to 9. So 5 column and 9 row, then click OK. So I have it now. That's cool, pretty cool, right? You don't need to, you can make this bigger, but I think it's okay by me. So next question: copy the data from the file j2120 table.csv and place it in the table. So I need to go back to my work area and j2120. Let me check that again. uh, Let me check that again. Table, okay, so I'm to table, anything with title table here. Oh yeah, this table. So you can double click to open, or you can open with just double click. I think is okay. So double click to open, and let's see the contents we have in there. Okay, so here we are. Then just place your cursor here, because I want the content to fit the cell. Okay, so that's good. Then you can click on the first cell, shift control down, then down key and forward key to copy all, then right click and copy. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to paste this here, but before you paste, you can select the cells all together. This, I want everything to fit in here, then right click and paste. Okay, now if you observe and you see that the content is quite bigger than what I have in the table, so the best thing for you to do is just to go ahead and adjust this. So go ahead and adjust the column, and then you can do everything all together. So let me just see. So just watch what I'm going to do now. Just bring this one down here. Okay, so then go up again. You can bring this one close to mini age, and finally I can also, oh sorry about that, it's here. Then I can bring this one here. Okay, then good. Wow, I'm super good. So do you observe something? I never knew it's going to work for me like this. So I was thinking I'm going to spend a lot of time adjusting, and automatically if it fits into the table accordingly. So I'm pretty cool, guys. Okay, so let's continue with the task now. So copy the data. I'm good with that. Adjust the column width, so I did that, and everything fit in and visible. So the only thing is that no text is split when wrapped within cell. No, let me check that. Let me check on that. Is there any text wrap hold, meaning everything is just perfect? If I want to be let me just see if I can increase the font size. If I can, that's not a bad deal. So let me just go ahead and let's change the font size to like 12, and if that is cool for us, I think it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. So I think that's cool. It's visible, everything is perfect and wonderful. So let me go back to the question now. So the next question, that is question 36. So you can put this one here now. So format the table so that text in all rows is center aligned vertically. Okay, so how do we go about that now? Because I need to format the table so that text is vertical center aligned. Okay, what I'm going to do now is okay, I'll just, let's just check and see what we have to do there. So center align vertically. Okay, so go back to my page now. So you can go ahead and copy and sorry, highlight the text. Sorry about that. Okay, good. I observed something here. I'm sorry about that. You can see that this table seems to interfere with my stuff here, so I can just bring it up a little. Yeah, so that's cool. So then next I can go ahead and take everything, all the information in the table. Okay, so then you go to, can I go to layout? Where do I do this? Okay, because I want center align. Okay, I should go to layout then and see if something will be good for me. Layout. Okay, so let's check layout. um this is okay. Yeah, good. This is center vertically. Look at this, vertically center the text. Let's check again, vertically center the text. I think that's the information given by the examiner. um center align vertically. So that is it. This is the right one. So just click this and let's see the effect. Whoa, yippee! I'm super cool. So everything is just working out well. Okay, so that's a great one. I don't know. Is there anything to do? Is there? Let me check this. I need to make. Yeah, it's cool. Is there any information missing? Can I bring this one back a little more? I think everything is okay. So let's go back to the question now. Then a plain table style is applied with no cell shading. Then all internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. Okay, so now plain table style, okay, with no shading. Now let me go back to my presentation. So just click on this table now. You can double click, just double click it. So then you can now come to your table style here. See more option. This one, no shading. Yeah, something like this. No style, table grid. So take this. That's perfectly cool. So yeah, that's cool, pretty cool. Okay, so let me go back to the question now. Allow internal grid are displayed when printed. Yes, everything is cool. So now next question says that question 37. Insert a new row as the first row of the table and enter the head in cross country race type. Guys, little bit lazy. I'm going to copy this type just so that I can put there accordingly. And don't mind me, I just like to be playful. Just please forgive me. Okay, sorry about that. I don't want to just type all this. I'm just so lazy to type, guys. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. So the next thing is that I'm going to insert a new row. Okay, so let's see how that works. Okay, I don't know, should I, am I going to do that? Maybe I can do that on the let's check. Let me just go back to my presentation. Okay, so now here insert a new row above. Let's see design to start playing already. Okay, don't mind me, it's layout, to be candid, this layout. Okay, now so when you come to layout now, then you see now insert below, insert left. So but I want to insert above, so insert above. Yeah, it's working, so you have it there. So don't forget, I just like to play sometimes. It's good to play, guys. I just love playing. Okay, so I did that already, so I'm going to paste the cross country race there. Then I'll match the cell in the first row and center align the heading. Okay, so if you don't mind, you can just go ahead, Control V. Then I'm going to match this. Okay, match and center align. The best thing for me is to go home and do that, home, and this is center align, but I didn't merge. Let me first merge first. I'm sorry about that. Merge cell, then I can click this for the center align. So that's cool. So let me go back to the question now. So I'm through with this. Sorry about that, I'm through with this. Okay, so merge the cell in the first row and center align. So I'm cool with that 2 marks. So the next question says that format row 1 and 2 of the table to be bold with an 18-point front size. So I'm going to format 1 and 2 18 points. So let me go back to my presentation. So this is 1 and 2 here. So go to 18 points. Then what else? Let me go back to the question. Then it should be bold. Okay, so just click bold. This is bold. Then what's next? Then filled with gray shading 20 to 35%. So gray shading, where do we have shading? So where do we have shading? I think it's not this test here. It's meant to be where, let me go home back. Where is shading? I don't want to start playing now. Please tell me where shading is, guy. I don't know. It seems so forgotten where I can get that. To be candid, it's meant to be somewhere around here, and for some reason I can't find it. Okay, okay, guys, I have it here. This is shape field. So where is shading? I've seen it. Thank you. So just click shape field here, and to do look at, this is 25%. Daka, this one is 35%. I think I'll go with 25 because the examiner says between 20 and 35. So 25 is okay for us. So that's cool. So let me go back to the question now. um so I'm good with these 2 marks. So next question, save the presentation, print the presentation as handout with 2 slides to the page, each slide filling about half the page. So let's do this now. So I'm to save and print now. So go back to the presentation now. I think everything is okay, but before I do that, let me just check from one. So you see everything is cool, and if you don't mind, I can reduce this table a little, or maybe I can lift it up, because I just want to maintain the aspect ratio. Okay, sorry about that then. So let me make it something like this, and take this one up a little. Can I take it up? Bring this one down, bring it down a little more, then I can lift it up. Okay, because I just want my my header, sorry, my footer and page number sorry, slide number to be visible. Okay, so everything is good now. So let's go to the next one. I'm just expecting, and I think everything is perfect. So I can go ahead and save now. I'll just save my work area. Okay, I'll save in my work area. This is it here. So it's save. So I'll go ahead and print now. So let me go back to the question and see the information there. To print the presentation as handout with 2 slides to the page. So print 2 slides to the page and print this handout. Make sure your name, center number, and candidate number on all slide. Okay, so just go ahead and go to print here. So but I'm not connected to printer now, so I'm going to use print preview. Okay, so now if you come to print preview, and to use how many, I think the information says that 2 slides to a page. So come to slide here and take this one here too. So that's cool. So this the kind of stuff we are expecting. Then let me go back to the information now, and you can see that the page number and the footer is there. If you don't mind, you can insert the, for examiner and for examination purpose, you can go ahead and insert header here. So if you want to do that, just click on option and header and footer. So I'm going to take header now because I want my name, because this the examiner says that I should make sure that my name, center number, candidate number or slide, even though I added this as footer, but for examination purpose you can go ahead and do the same thing for header. So name, center number, candidate number. So I can just go ahead and do it here now. My name again, Aluko Shayo Enoch. On every page, my center number, um, NG 101 1010, better still, my candidate number is coding 101. So and I'll apply to all. So it's there. Okay, but what I observe is that immediately I put that there, it's override. I think everything is cool. Don't let me start playing. I just like to play with things too much. Okay, so print out now. Print this handout, make sure your name, everything is okay. Is that all? Yay, I'm good with the exercise. So guys, that's a good one, and thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the tutorial section. So guys, much more importantly, calm down, don't go away guys, just wait, play with me guys, wait for me here. I need to show you something guys. Immediately after this session, I'm going to upload the video on my test shop. Also all the resource file also will be available via my test shop for free access. You can download freely, and guys, you can also help review, okay, most of the materials here, board work. So I have a lot of e-learning resources on mathematics, ICT and coding, and I do code with Python and Scratch programming and MBlock. So you see something like I'm creating artificial intelligence with MBlock, and this is database report. Okay, so this ICT, and this is mathematics application of calculus, and you can avail yourself of lots of board work and e-learning resources here in ICT, mathematics and coding. So most of them are actually IGCSE exam style question and IB. Okay, so also I'm going to upload my video immediately after the this section. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and like, so you have access to a lot course of video here too in mathematics, ICT and coding. And you can see permutation and combination, trigonometry, function, sine, graph, and a lot, guys. You can also develop game by yourself using Scratch programming or Python. So guys, just go ahead and like and make sure you subscribe. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. That is very important, guys. Do have a great day ahead and love you guys. Bye guys. So let's end it with this note. Let's end with this note, guys. Okay, bye guys, love you, bye.
Wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Okay, wake the streets up. Okay, come on. Okay, wake the streets